Laws.com, Legal Forms Guide.
Form 355, Business or Manufacturing Corporation Excise Return. Businesses or manufacturing corporations operating in Massachusetts use a Form 355 to document their excise tax due. The form can be found on the website of the state of Massachusetts. Step 1. Those not filing on a calendar year basis should enter the starting and ending dates of their filing period. Step 2. Give your corporation's name, federal employer identification number, and address. If your principal address is different from your principal Massachusetts address, give both. Step 3. Answer questions 1 through 18. Step 4. Before completing page 2, complete the rest of Form 355. Schedule A documents your balance sheet. Step 5. Schedule B documents tangible and intangible property. Step 6. If line 15 of Schedule B is 10% or more, complete Schedule C and transfer line 4 to line 1 of page 2. Step 7. If line 15 of Schedule B is less than 10%, complete Schedule D and transfer line 10 to line 2 of page 2. Step 8. Complete Schedule CD for corporate disclosure. Complete Schedule CR to document other corporate credits and transfer line 15 there to line 7 of the second page. Step 9. Complete Schedule RF to document refundable credits. Transfer the results on line 6 to line 18 on the second page. Step 10. Return to the second page. Complete lines 1 through 10 as instructed to determine your minimum excise due. Step 11. Complete lines 11 through 23 as instructed to determine your amount owed or the amount you should be refunded. Step 12. Complete lines 24 through 26 if filing late. Step 13. An officer of the firm should sign and date the bottom of the first page.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit laws.com.